All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just got a genius idea. I was just on a walk with Tiffany and I was telling her how Halloween is terrorism because you're celebrating fear, and spookiness, and all this celebration of fear, which is the root cause of what we're seeing, or one of the root causes of what we see on a bigger scale. So, the terrorism that we see through the military and through all the things that we've witnessed through social media in the past couple months specifically, Halloween is celebrating fear. You're scaring children, all those spooky vibes that you like to give off. And although some people would say, okay, yeah, we like wearing costumes and whatnot, which is what Tiffany was telling me. Okay, I just came up with a genius idea of, instead of walking around giving children poison, which is candy, which is poison, how about, since we have 4 seasons in a year, and each season bears its own unique fruits and vegetables, you guessed it. We have, instead of 1 day of the year that you get to wear a costume and go around, we have 4 days in the year, 1 day for each season, that the children get to wear costumes and go around each house with a big basket collecting the fruits and or vegetables from that house of that season, which also, on a more positive aspect, we're also celebrating abundance. We're sharing our harvest and also promoting homesteading and having your own garden and growing your own food. I'm a genius. When I become a far more influential person, and I'm very good with marketing as well, the same way we have been marketed Halloween and Christmas becoming not only blasphemy, but also one of the most capitalistic times of the year, why don't we start promoting growing your own food? You can still wear your costumes, but wear a Superman costume or princess or whatever, some cute stuff, not this disgusting, fearful garbage. And the children go out in cute costumes, even some of the adults if they want. This is an excuse 4 times a year instead of just 1 time, which is also in winter, you know. I mean, it's cold, it's not literally winter, but you get the point. And we switch the theme of fear to the theme of abundance and knowledge and awareness and raising consciousness and growing your own food and giving out healthy food and teaching the children the importance of eating healthy food rather than giving them high fructose corn syrup and calcifying their pineal glands with the disgusting poisonous candy that has 0 nutritional value in it other than stimulating your... Man, I can go off on a whole different tangent about how much poison is in those candies, but you get the point. And the main idea of this video is this genius idea that I just got inspired to share and make a thing where 4 days out of the year we wear costumes because people love to do that, and this is what they claim for those who want to celebrate Halloween in an innocent way. Well, okay, I'm gonna give you a better way to celebrate it, different intention. There's Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. Okay, you honor the dead, that's okay, cool. I mean, why do you need a specific day to honor your dead? And you shouldn't be doing that almost every day. Anyways, I highly recommend that we switch the branding from fear to abundance and sharing actual food, that even the kids, when they come back home with a big basket, maybe those who are more in need, they would definitely appreciate that because you just help them with groceries, not just a waste of candy that's gonna get the kids so hyped up and stupid because their brains stop functioning because of all the sugar, but they actually have healthy fruits and they get to know the neighbors, and the neighbors can even show the kids the trees and the plants and how to plant, and the world just becomes a lot more functional and a lot more healthy instead of spooking them and wearing disgusting costumes thinking it's funny or cool And for example, I was just on the walk here in Sacramento in Land Park, and we just saw a tree with hanging children. Like who in their right mind puts hanging children from the neck, hanging children on a tree, and this is supposed to be funny? Like, it's disgusting. You people are terrorists, although that's what you claim, people like me who come from the Middle East, to be the terrorists. Bro, look at yourself. What are you doing? What is this? What is this culture? What are you celebrating? And I'm not saying all of this out of the stereotype that I'm annoyed. No, I don't give two shits. Like, this does not affect me very much. I toy with it. But I simply use your ignorance against you, because you accuse me of something that you are an absolute epitome of, with how the government, the United States military, goes out and terrorizes the world. And then they say that, oh, we're the terrorists, but we're actually just defending ourselves from your tyranny. And if we were doing what you guys do right here in the capital of California, hanging children on a tree for fun, if this was not America, you'd probably want to conquer us and say that, oh, we need to liberate you from yourselves, right? And this video is starting to get long. It's almost 6.5 minutes, but you get the point. And my whole point is because I don't celebrate Halloween. I find it to be an aspect of Satanism. And I can go way deeper also. We can get into like human trafficking and all that bullshit. And it's not bullshit, but I mean like all that bad aspect of reality. That's what I meant by bullshit. And yeah, time to switch the narrative and enjoy life. We don't need to celebrate fear. We don't need to scare each other, and we don't need to decrease the frequency. We want to increase the frequency. Fear decreases, abundance increases. If you're more aligned with nature, and it's a very good opportunity for the kids and even the adults to get to know which fruits and vegetables are in season. Because I bet you the majority of people don't know which fruits and vegetables are belonging to which season, including me. I'm still learning that. I don't know everything. It's useful when I get to know, okay, this season, these are the fruits and vegetables that are prime time. This is when they grow, or this is when it's the best time to harvest them. And information like that. So I have planted the seed. I just got the inspiration today because me and Tiffany have been arguing about this for a while, because she keeps trying to convert me into her bullshit, which I do not agree with. And she agrees with me on some things, but she seems to just like to argue. And the more we argue, the more I get these inspirations to keep responding and addressing why I'm right and why I know I'm right and why I'm not going to compromise, regardless of how people feel. Okay? And what do I do as a healthy person? I just give you a better alternative. I explain why I don't like what you're talking about. Not only that, I'm going to give you a better alternative. You're welcome.